Stand by for court number 2, Katrina and Aryan versus Ikit and Lou. Stand by for court number 2.
For those who just came, please go to our registration booth to get your free tourney pack.
Mamay na, Angela.
Okay, thank you, Victor, for sponsoring this 2016 PRBD Badminton Tournament. And we are going to have a raffle for 2 Victor shoes, 1 men and 1 women. So presence is required. So stay lang kayo hanggang sa awan nyo, okay? For the chance to win Victor shoes.
Court number 4, Master Chi John Collado versus Javier Domingo and Francis Navarez. Sorry. For court number 4, for court number 4, Alvin Lebran, Willie Desma versus Hermes Tanueco, Raymond Siatong. Court number 5, court number 4, Alvin Lebran, Willie Desma, Hermes Tanueco, Raymond Siatong.
Sa mga hindi pa po nagpaparegister dyan, punta lang po ka sa registration booth and pay your tourney fees if you haven't paid yet, okay? Dito lang po malapit sa entrance. Thank you.
Court number 4, Alvin Lebran, Willie Desma, Hermes, and Raymond.
Nilipat yung
number 4.
So, game na nga? Oo. Kaya na.
Stand by for court number 8, Doreen Kapani and Ana Rose Oiko versus Kiel Rodriguez, Elaine Lin. Stand by for court number 8, Doreen and Ana Rose versus Kiel and Elaine. Stand by for court number 8. judges for court number 5, yung previous winner po. For court number 5, previous winner, Mark Anthony and Verhel. Paline judge po, court number 5. Verhel. Thank you.
Sa mga bagong dating po, register na po tayo.
Court number 8, Doreen and Anna Rose versus Kiel and Elaine, court number 8.
Oh, Irish, go na rin! Nice one!
Maya pa yun, pero ready ka na. Please ka na, ready. Kanya ka na, short.
Judge call, judge call. Irish! Out!
Court number 2, Ikit Senara and Lou Albore. Court number 2, 4 minutes left before default. Court number 2.
Say hi to Tita.
Thank you.
Say hi.
Ayan, doon sa kabila. Nakasalamin.
Support kami ni Mami.
Yes!
Court number 6, Emmy Dracles and Trisha Recto versus Jopay and Flerica. Court number 6, Emmy and Trisha versus Jopay and Flerica. Court number 6.
Pagkabalos pag sila.
Court number 6, Emmy and Trisha versus Jopay and Flerica. Court number 6. Players from Baldog and SBL, court number 6.
Hindi mo kay Joe, paano ka?
Court number 6.
Ay, madalito? Parang bagong gising lang ah. Ay, umilit pa.
Ball. Dalawa, go, go.
Go, 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 BBB!
Ball.
Men's doubles D. Kindly prepare for your games.
Bola, apat. Bola rin.
Men's doubles D, kindly prepare for your games. Next na po kayo, men's doubles D. Stand by for court number 1 ng men's doubles D.